Alright, check this out. Here we have the Aorus 15G with an 8-core i7, an 80-watt 3080, and a 240Hz Full HD display. This video will demonstrate thermal and frame rate performance for Cyberpunk 2077 with 3 different in-game settings, and we will compare this to a 125-watt 3070. Let's jump right into it with all 3 settings on screen, with the 3080 on the left and the higher wattage 3070 on the right. Both laptops are using maximum performance modes with maximum fan speed. Now, the frame rate performance between the two is nearly identical. However, thermal performance clearly favors the Aorus 15G. This is because the 3080 is a lower wattage part. This allows the Aorus to have a high wattage 3070 performance with much better thermals, especially on the CPU. This happens because the CPU and GPU share the same cooling solution. Heat from one part is transferred to the other. This setup is common because it allows the CPU to boost higher when loaded alone, since it'll then have the complete cooling solution to itself. Take note of NVIDIA's dynamic boost at work on the 3080. At times, it may not take as much CPU grunt to push an 80-watt GPU versus a 125-watt GPU. The result is lower CPU wattage, allowing the graphics card to dynamically boost more frequently. This also grants the Aorus 15G the ability to lower its fan acoustics before thermal throttling, so we have high wattage 3070 performance while running much cooler or quieter. Don't overlook this when shopping for your next laptop, especially when this one is priced at $2,000 with 1TB NVMe storage, 32GB of memory, a 99 watt-hour battery, and a multiplexer switch.